everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Athifa Putri Handayani. In this video, I will explain the explanation text I created entitled The ALS Bus and Fuel Truck Accident. A fatal accident happened in South Sumatra involving an ALS bus and a fuel triangle truck on the Trans-Sumatra Highway. The accident caused many deaths and injuries. The accident occurred when the bus driver tried to avoid a puddle, causing the bus to move into the opposite lane and crash into the fuel truck. The collision caused a large fire because the truck was carrying fuel. Several passengers died, while others were seriously injured. Police believe the accident was caused by poor road conditions and driver negligence. This accident reminds people about the importance of road safety, good vehicle maintenance, and better road conditions to prevent similar tragedies in the future. This is the explanation of the explanation text about the ALS bus and fuel truck accident. Thank you. Bye bye.